Hello, today we're gonna make a 3D heart. We need a A4 size paper and a scissor. We will start folding in half. We will unfold. We will take this edge. We will line it to the middle. And now we will take our scissor and we'll cut. And the other paper, if you want to make more, you can use them. So now we will take this edge, we will line it, and now we will bring it down. You will repeat the same step. You will repeat the step that I'm doing. So now the left part, and we will take our scissor. We will cut like the other triangle, and now we will do it a little bit smaller, like this. And now we will bring in this pocket. We'll push with our finger to the down. And now we will take our scissor and we'll shape the edge. And here we go, we made a heart. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.